Congratulations on the purchase of your new Samsung over-the-range microwave oven. Follow these steps to get started using your new appliance. After your microwave oven is installed into its proper location, but before you plug it in, open the door and wipe the inside with a damp cloth. Now install the pre-assembled rolling tray ring into the indention at the center of the microwave oven. Then place the glass tray securely in the center on top of the rolling tray ring. Now plug your microwave oven into its power source to turn it on. You are now ready to use and enjoy your Samsung microwave oven.